Starting. Okay, we'll start with the speed.
Coolant does work. It's got it locked. Unlocking the brake. Let me show you the window. Just kicking oil around. All right. Run it up and down. Unlock it.
Oh yeah, the brakes off.
There's your spindle. It's some kind of quick style tooling. There's a bunch of it here. This has got a Jacobs on it. There's another Jacobs. These are two different sizes. They got different Morse. This Morse taper will go right up in. It's a 4 or 5. I'll figure it out. It'll be in the quote. But you got a lot of nice quick change tooling that you can use these for. This goes in, and it's got a Morse taper in them, so you can put various things in them. Say for instance, okay. All right, it's got a little bit of tooling with it. Nice OOYA drill. Box table. You know, it's been clipped. I hate to see that, but we'll remove this and I'll take a photo of the table for you. All right, photos and videos on the site. Thanks for watching, folks. I'll walk around the back side. Okay, there's your coolant pump. We are wired 220 3-phase right now on this. Here, let me show you the face of this. The placard's it's all there, like we like to see. The only thing that the lamp's got power to it. If it was mine and I owned it, I would put in a LED light. Yeah, I couldn't think of it. Just take that ballast out of there. It's a weird ballast. But anyways, other than that, it's a fine running machine. Thank you.